Say hey.
Hi.
Man, we got macaroni, bread.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say I'm
Good morning, my tea babies. It's your girl Tamara. Y'all know I'm back with another video. Y'all know I look rough because y'all, well, I ain't just get up, but I've been up for a little minute now, and I decided I'm gonna start this vlog early today. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe and turn on the bell so y'all can be notified when your girl uploads. So today, y'all, I am going to the grocery store, and what else I'm doing, and cleaning and stuff. So yeah, so y'all just come with me. So y'all gonna spend the day with me, see what I do with my day-to-day basis and whatever. And I'm not taking all of my keys with me. I ain't gonna say all, like I just got so many, cause baby. I got 3, so I'm just taking one of them with me. I'm taking Kamai, baby. Kamai, say hey. So I'm taking her to the grocery store with me today because I have some people over, like my sister and my cousins, and I can't take everybody in the truck, so because it's not going to be enough room for the groceries. So I just decided to take Kamaya with me today. So yeah, we're gonna throw on our clothes and we're gonna see you guys in the car. All right, you guys, I'm back and I'm finally in the car because yeah, it took your girl a little minute to get ready. So I ain't do nothing special today because yeah, it's pretty cold and I ain't really going nowhere. So I'll show y'all my outfit once I get back home. But right now we in the car, letting the car warm up because it's so cold out here. To me it's like 26 or 27 degrees, something like that. It's in the 20s, I know that much. Your girl do not like the cold. I hate the cold. It's too cold out here. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna just spend the day. It's just like a mommy and me day. I ain't gonna say that because I don't want my other girls to be jealous, but yeah, she with me. She's right here. Say hey.
Hi.
Her little bad self. But yeah, so we in the car, letting the car warm up. She does have a car seat, so do not come for me. Her car seat is in her dad's car that's parked around the corner. But since we just going like even 5 minutes away, it might seem like that to y'all because y'all watching the video, but it's not even 5 minutes away. It's like really right up the street. So, and I'm gonna drive careful, but I may never know what happened. But I think we got this. God got us. So that's why I didn't put on her car seat. And plus I need this space back here for the groceries. So yeah, we gonna finish letting this car warm up and we're gonna see you guys. We're gonna see you guys when we get to the grocery store. And y'all see my little pink steering wheel cover? It's so cute. My fiance hate it. And then I got the little pink and black seat covers. I got a seat cover for the back seat. Excuse me. I got a seat cover for the back seat as well. I don't know how to put that on, so I'm gonna have to get somebody to put that on for me. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna see you guys in the grocery store, or when we pull up to the grocery store. Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up to Kroger and we finna go ahead and get right into this restaurant. Lord, I'm so hungry. We finna go to this grocery store, y'all. So hopefully there ain't a lot of people in here because it is still kind of early. So yeah, you ready to go in the store? Come on. Come on. Ready going to look? You ready going to the store? She worried about her shoes. Yeah, we finna go into the store. Alright, y'all. So people gonna be looking at me weird, but I don't care. So I'm finna show y'all these naked juices I be drinking. Right here. Comment down below if y'all be drinking these. It is so good. And then I was gonna get some fruit, but I decided that I don't need none because I got some at home already. But I'm just gonna get 2 since they're so big. And yeah, I do still like fruit trays though. Oh, pineapple and strawberry is so good. Cantaloupe, y'all. My kids gonna be eating it up because they love fruit. But we're moving on to the next thing. Alright, y'all, so big. Now we getting cereal. I got some, oh, hold on, I can't push with one hand. I got some stuff in the cart, so show you what we got so far. Man, we got macaroni, bread, taco stuff, sweet potatoes, chicken. Just a little sauce, okay? Yeah. Today. So yeah, I ain't gonna record all while we in here because I'm trying to hurry up before. Let me set y'all up somewhere. Maybe a little low. I can't sit y'all up nowhere. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it looks sloppy. But I'm trying to hurry up before a lot of people come in here. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted with this music. That's why I'm really not trying to record up in here. Because I don't know if I am or not. And I ain't trying to take any chances. Give me this bag. So yeah, y'all, we're going to see y'all once we get in leaving after. You know what I'm trying to say. Alright, y'all, we made it after store. Woo, it's hectic working with just by myself with her. And I had got a lot of stuff. Y'all see all the groceries back there. I ain't put them in the trunk because I forgot I had some in the trunk. So right now we are on the way back home. I said back to home. I don't know what's up with me, but I'm finna drive. Y'all see y'all wanna get back home. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, back at home. As y'all can see, I didn't put the groceries up and everything. And yeah, y'all, so right now I'm finna clean up my room. As y'all can see, the bed is a mess. Let me show y'all the bed. The bed is a mess. And then I have some little stuff right here on the floor that I need to pick up. So yeah, y'all, and I'm finna be just showing y'all what I do when I clean up. So yeah, y'all, so let me go and get hit. I said go and get hit. Let me go and clean up. Alright, y'all, so I'm done cleaning my room, as y'all can see, and it's clean, y'all. So let me let y'all get a look. So y'all see the bed fixed, and then all that stuff put up. Hello, let me take, okay, so I had to take it out. I'm gonna clean up the bathroom off camera because it really ain't that messy. I just gotta clean up the counters and stuff in there. But I'm just turning it around, let y'all see. Everything is clean and put up. The bed is fixed. So yeah, this is the room. So hello, getting dark. What is going on? Let's turn it around. Okay, so yes, y'all, so that concludes this video, and y'all see my outfit. Like, hold on, let me put it up here. Y'all see my man? Hold up. I can't get it right, but y'all see my man right there, Trey Songz. That's what I was listening to. I was cleaning up. But this is my outfit I get on for today. I can't get it right, but yeah, I got a romper on. Let me just go to the bathroom and show y'all. I know the counters got a lot of stuff on it, but who cares? This color is changing. But this is my outfit that I got on right now. I got this from Fashion Nova. Actually, my auntie gave it to me, and this shirt did not come with it. I got this shirt from Fashion Nova, so I put that with it because I thought it was cute. But yeah, y'all, so that's the end of this video, y'all. So if y'all enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, y'all just comment down below and let me know what y'all want me to do. So with that being said, y'all already know to go ahead and, if y'all have not already, go and hit that subscribe button. Y'all, this camera hurt my arm, it's so heavy. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and yeah, y'all, I told y'all what it is, what it's gonna be for this year. If y'all have not watched that video, go ahead and make sure y'all go check that video out, and all my previous other videos as well. And yeah, y'all, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoy making this video. I've been everywhere, so I don't want to make this video too long. Enough rambling. Yeah, y'all, so I see you, girl. I keep messing up that part, sorry. I'll see you guys in my next lit video. Peace, you guys.